Okay, so today I'm gonna try to make myself a cappuccino. Since I do not have a cappuccino machine, I'll try something different. So what I'm trying to do, I'll have some milk. I'll put that milk to make it warm in my microwave. Once that's done, what I'm trying to do, I'll put it in here and then I'll give it a big shake. And once we shake that, we will find out if that works, my idea. Well, and of course we would need coffee, so parallel to my shaking experience, I'm gonna brew some coffee. The milk should be ready now. Okay, so milk should be ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna pour it in here now, and then I'll give it a big shake, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so next thing, as I said before, I'm gonna shake it like crazy, and coffee is brewing, and now let's give it a shake. And it's just a try right now, but since I do not have a cappuccino machine, I thought usually they steam it, so which means you kind of maybe need kind of a warm milk, so that's why I made the milk warm in the microwave, and now we shake it big time. And then let's try what's going to happen. Okay, so I have shaken the milk, and now let's just see how it comes out. And that did not work according to plan. Let's give it another try. So now I tried it with cold milk. I should have shaken it more, but you see there, cream is coming out, so you have to take cold milk actually and shake it with this, and then you have cappuccino cream. So we learned that lesson, and rather just put a tiny bit of milk in there and then shake it and forget about the microwave.